Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get Silver Key in Critical Legends step by step. Start at the central hub and head east into the cavern, following the glowing mushrooms as your guide. Stealth past the roaming skirmishers, then bait the mini-boss into the narrow corridor. Use a stun or slow ability, land critical strikes, and pick up the Silver Key quickly before the timer forces a respawn. Before you enter the cavern, check your build and inventory to ensure readiness. Swap to gear that favors critical chance and single-target damage, and slot a stun or immobilize skill. Practice baiting smaller enemies so you can manage aggression without using costly potions. Keep one teleport or dash ready to escape if the mini-boss enrages. This preparation cuts retries and saves. Enter the eastern tunnel, take the lower fork, and drop down the rope into the lower chamber while staying crouched. Hug the wall to avoid patrols, then sprint to the glowing alcove near the statue where the chest hides. Lure the mini-boss into the choke point, apply your stun combo, and finish with critical hits. After the mini-boss falls, open the chest quickly and secure the Silver Key before enemies respawn around you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.